DCF could find itself back in court after a years-old settlement from a class action lawsuit.
The lawsuit filed in 2018. As Zena Taher reports, one of the groups that brought the lawsuit is frustrated with a lack of progress.
Jeff, Julia, this is a complex issue, but what you need to know is for 3 years now, a third party has been looking into the progress DCF is making on improving conditions for foster kids as directed by that settlement. The 2023 report just came out, and the organization that sued is not happy with the findings. Meanwhile, DCF is saying they're making good progress. When it comes to foster care in Kansas, two of the main issues being tracked: better, more consistent placements for kids and more access to mental health care. Kansas Appleseed saying kids are sleeping in DCF offices overnight when no other placements are available, but the DCF secretary says they've addressed that.
One of our strategies over the last year was to create what we called a standby bed network. And what that meant was we had foster homes who agreed to kind of hold beds vacant and agreed that even at the last minute, they would be willing to take you.
Kansas Appleseed saying some of those placements aren't long enough.
Nighttime placement that starts at 9 o'clock and ends at 7. And, you know, the state, I think, has decided that those are not failed placements. I think we disagree with that.
Another issue, access to mental health care. Plaintiffs saying it's essential to improve the stability of those placements. DCF says they're making improvements.
There has been a concerted effort over the last number of years, not just this year, but really over the last 3 or 4 years. And as I said, that's been in a lot of areas.
They say they've created more therapeutic foster homes and added more services like behavior interventionists to help work with youth, especially those with high needs in both foster and bio homes. Kansas Appleseed saying the 2023 report isn't showing those improvements are happening, still showing what the organization's perceiving as a lack of care. Now, while DCF says they're working to make improvements, Kansas Appleseed says it comes down to a lack of results. It says after 3 reports, DCF has had plenty of time to make improvements, but instead has gotten worse in some categories. Meanwhile, DCF highlighting the areas where they improved or met benchmarks. Here for you, Zena Taher, KSN News 3.